evening, YouTube. So I am OD Rider, and good evening. It's 5:45. Now I am in Chennai. You can see those buildings. This area is Sipcot IT Park. Okay, so I will tell you why I am in Chennai and what I am doing over here. And I'll show you a few of the places so you can see. So this is Sipcot IT Park in Chennai. Okay. I've been in Chennai for last 2 months, 2 to 3 months, 2 months I guess, because of some job. So basically I completed my engineering. I came here due to my campus placement. That's a different story. So now we are in Chennai, and in Chennai things are different. And wait, this is not my bike. Okay, I bought this one. This is Apache 160. So previously I had 180, then 200, back on 160. This one is 160. 2013 model. Bought it for a second hand over here in Chennai. And okay, I like this color a lot. This yellow and black one. I loved it. So this one is TCS. As you can see, Tata Consultancy Services. It's really good looking. Inspired from a butterfly or something. Inspired from a butterfly. Really good looking building. So basically I bought this bike, but this bike doesn't, the speedometer is not working. So I don't know how much kilometer it had been. I assume it's 30,000. I took a test ride, and because I'm an Apache fanboy and I have written a lot on Apache. So once I rode it, that's what it is. Once I rode it and I knew, okay, this is good. I need this one. So bought it, and I don't have much time for recording video over here because today I was busy and I was doing some other things. So thought of doing a quick ride video in the evening to show you guys how Chennai is. So here it is, Chennai. I like this place, but it's a metropolitan city with a lot of crowd. This is IT park, so there is not much crowd over here. Minimalistic traffic rules, no pollution. You can guess that. No PUC over here, no pollution certificate you need for your bike. That's why a lot of pollution is over here. And what I can say, good place, but not that good. Can survive, but it's difficult over here. I have been eating sambar for every day, every morning and every night, so I can recognize sambar. Like, the taste is inside me. If you cut my veins, sambar will come out. So here start, we are exiting Sipcot IT Park, and we are heading towards the town, Soling Narur. Maybe I'm spelling right. Difficult names, man. This Siruseri, Tambaram, Solingnarur, Kelambakam. Many places are there. First it was difficult to remember, but slowly I did it. Yeah, I did it. So here we are. This is Marina Mall. So I'm living here. Nice place, nice time. But I was thinking of making the video earlier, but I'm living in Chennai. So that's why I'm in hurry. So I thought of making a quick video so that some memories will be captured from here. This road, the toll gate. But I don't know it's vlogging allowed or not over here, because I'm really afraid of South police, because they are really strict and they don't understand Hindi. English also they understand, but they don't want to understand. So Wild West. And here we go, beginning of traffic. It's a demo traffic, man. This is not a traffic. This is normal. You have not seen yet. Also, you don't worry. Ah, Continental GT. I like that bike. It's fogging up inside my helmet. I need to open it. Oh, bit relief. Let's go. Okay, you go. Thank you, man. You should say me. Okay, so here we are crossing a toll gate. Much traffic over here in Chennai, like you will get irritated. Now it's not that much traffic. This is clear road, you can say, but people drive like shit over here, and bad smell. Let's see if we can reach ECR beach by evening. If we can, then it will be really good. I will be showing you beach. Because beach made me do it. See, that's camera. No cameras are there. Every kilometer, every some meters, blinking stuff. That's camera. So in Chennai, the bus network is really good and cheap if you want to travel like this. But it's too hot and too crowded. Really difficult. That's a Satyabhama, some college, I guess. That's a college. It doesn't look like a college. I thought it's a museum or something. First time went inside to see what kind of museum it is. And later I figured out that it is a college. That's how you cut over here. You have to be like total chapri next level, or they will smash you up. See, they don't use mirrors. Rarely in some bikes you will see mirrors. Very rare. Like these three are there. There's no mirror in that one. Most of them don't use mirror, as per my experience. When I bought this bike, it has no mirrors. It had no mirrors. I purchased those two mirrors. And I want to see who comes behind me, man. I don't want to get hit from behind. Anything. And some car racing is going on. Let's catch up to them. Yeah, that's Yaz. Just look out how it's fuck, man. Holy shit. Do a cut. Oh, why is he doing outside? Oh, what is he doing? That's some really good shit, man. I need to follow them up. That's nice content. Ah, check it out, beach. Oh fuck. The two are friends. So that's Chennai. Traffic. Then if you do a job somewhere, then again traffic. Then hot. If it's rain, it's humid. Pollution also. And water crisis. How can I ignore water crisis? So when I came to Chennai, water crisis was just beginning. And did I face any problem during water crisis? Yes, the hotel I was staying in, it ran out of water. So a day I didn't use water, you can say. And in the PG I'm staying, water is not that clean. Sometimes you can see that water is black colored. I don't know. Pollution, what? Like really fucked up case over here. Fuck, GTTSI. See those lights, man. See, no mirrors. And they this Chennai. They don't want to look behind. Like, who's behind me? I don't want to see. I want to lead. Get a mirror, man. Oh wow. Even car wala is also not using mirrors. एक्सीडेंट कर देना भाई, मस्त फुटेज मिल जाएगा मेरे को, मैं रिकॉर्ड करके डालूंगा. Too hot over here. You cannot close your lid and stand on a hand. Too much hot. Too much. And it would be safe over here. I don't want to get caught by Tamil Nadu police. They are too strict and they will not understand anything. And one thing is good about Chennai, like that if you see the sky, like it's total 180 view over here. I don't know, maybe it's in equator or it's flat, some hills or something nearby is totally flat land or something, but whenever you look the sky, it's totally like 180 degree you can see, big sky. Tell you what I feel about Chennai. So any Chennai people watching the video, no offense, South people, like, it's totally my opinion. Don't take it like generalized. It's my experience over here in Chennai. There were people who were saying that my colleague, classmates and batchmates were saying that it's difficult to survive in Chennai. Don't go to Chennai. I was also, what can be bad? People go there and live. It shouldn't be that difficult to live in Chennai. So I made up my mind and I came to Chennai. Like, okay, let's struggle, do a good job, enjoy, and earn some money. But till now my experience is not that great in Chennai because I'm not telling all people are bad. Some people, they are not that welcoming. They don't like Hindi people. Like, I am not North Indian. I am from Odisha. So that's not North. But still they consider me as a North. Like, I don't know how to say. But there's too much anger over here. Okay, let's go TT. Audi TT. So my experience was not that great in Chennai. Doesn't mean I will not come back. I will come back, but I will not stay here. I will try to do that. I'll try not to stay over here for much longer. That's the normal thing you can see over here. Super cars, super bikes. Hello, hello, hello. 1, 2, 3, mic testing. So, where was I? It's not good. Chennai is good. Roads are really good. I really like the roads over here. And everything is good if you're able to survive, like if you are able to adjust. Like, good people. I made really some nice friends over here. Very good friends. That friendship I expect to continue till lifetime. Like, really good people, really helping. What can I say? But still, some are good, some are bad. Young generation, still there is some kind of hateness. I felt like the hateness inside them, that they don't want us to be here. I really love Chennai because I really love South India because you can see the customization, like hell of customization over here. Like, people will be riding bikes like really customized cars. The car will be so much like they will swap the silencer. The exhaust will be swapped. It's a compulsory thing over here to do. Like, totally compulsory thing. There's a police checking going on. I will go from that side. That's risky, man. I don't want to get in trouble. Getting in trouble over here in Chennai is really bad. My suggestion, don't get in trouble. Thank me later. Where is that road to our ECR beach? Somewhere nearby should be. Cecil, fuck. Road is so bad, every time I forget. Every time I forget to take a turn. So here we are to ECR beach. This is not the proper entrance to the beach, but side way, I can say. See, you can go directly into the beach. Yes. See, there's a numerous beach over here. Marina, ECR, Kovalam, many. Those are some three
of which I mostly visit, but there are more. Chennai is famous for beaches, I guess. So let's go to, now we're going to Kovalam beach to have some sweet corn because I'm feeling hungry. Let's get something to eat. See, that's a camera. Everywhere, wherever you see these blinking lights, every place there will be on camera. It's good, but I don't know why they're using it. Most of the people are not wearing helmet over here doing tripling or see. They're not even following traffic rules sometimes. You can see that they will be standing. If it's too long, they'll simply leave. I don't give a fuck. They'll just leave. They don't care about it. And see that. So, that's how people cross roads over here. So today I'm recording not from my microphone, that is of Sony. Today I'm recording from a Bluetooth headset of mine, Sennheiser headset. So let's see if it is able to record. As of now, I heard the recording. It is doing really good, and oh yeah, this is some kind of really good dance. Oh yeah. After I bought bike, first thing, let's go to Kovalam. This Medina is too far. Kovalam is nearby. And a sweet corn over here costs 40 rupees. In Odisha it's 30. That's a big fish. So here we are in Kovalam. And there's some really big fish market over here. You can see fried fish, not fish market. So that's it. Chennai trip ends over here. Not trip. I've been here for 2 months. The vlogging ends here. So ciao. See you soon.